Bitcoin volatility is back, and for those knowledgeable enough to trade this, there are actually great profits to be had. If you are not knowledgeable yet, well, this is also a very good video for you, because I will be telling you the targets, why I remain bearish, and how you can take advantage of the upcoming trades. So yeah, this is a video for everybody of all levels, so I hope that you thoroughly enjoy, and yeah, let's get straight into what you're here for, right? And that is looking at the charts. Today I'm going to be covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, the stock market, and the Forex market. A little bit of all for you, of course, though primarily focusing on Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm going to pick up right where I left off my last YouTube video, which was, of course, telling you all the same right now as I am bearish. I have a higher term time frame bearish bias. I am expecting lower prices to come. Of course, that was off the back of seeing that swing failure pattern right here of our range high, of course. Where, you know, that was the only one and only trade setup that we had since end of last week. Swing failure pattern of the range high is what we were looking for. 24 hours later, we got a swing failure pattern of the range high. So, you know, make the plan, trade the plan, and then remain patient for that plan to come down and hit take profit. So you got to wait for that to come down, right? It's a simple case of, I repeat, plan the trade the plan, have the patience for that plan to pay you. And that is what happened. We remained patient as price came down and down and down and down and down. Took 4 days, but we eventually come down to very close to the range low. And, you know, now I want to explain briefly why we saw a front run here on Bybit. There was a very good reason. One of the biggest reasons which would have been given to you is if you watch the live streams every single day on our website. Eagle calling for the higher low before the rise, before the drop. So yeah, one factor I'm going to say is the word Eagle. This guy, absolutely legendary, gave the call of the higher low, taking out this previous low, coming down slightly below it, spending some time gathering the shorts before the rise to the upside to hit the short target, which was hit on this wick before a move back down, which is what we're getting right now. So first word is Eagle. What a call. Secondary, we had a little bit of movement on Ethereum. There was an Ethereum ETF. This sparked a little bit of volatility coming in with a rise to the upside on ETH, which actually, funnily enough, just let it end in a swing failure pattern, very similar to Bitcoin. That reminded me of that being 27k. But yeah, coming up, taking that high, of course, is a bearish swing failure pattern. And, you know, later we're looking at that with, you know, the continuation of the downside on ETH. So also the other factor we had was the low was taken on the CME. So this is an important chart to be aware of, right? So you did get an SFP on the CME chart as you're coming down into Eagle's, you know, higher low support zone. So you're getting, you know, several factors here for that drop, taking out this minor low, okay, taking out this minor low, okay, holding the higher low, getting the rise to the upside. What for? Only to fill the short trades to bring it back down below the low. So it's like if you've been following along with the Champions group, right? Obviously, we had that Eagle legendary. I mean, that's just incredible cool. But the move down for the long, that completed stage 1, and now stage 2 for the short. He longed the low and shorted the high. I mean, absolutely GOAT, greatest of all time. Yeah, that was incredible. That was better than what I could have done. Like, incredible accuracy. So yeah, now we've obviously done stage 1 of the bounce, stage 2 of the drop, and well, we're waiting for that to complete. So yeah, I've been telling over on Twitter, I've been saying it very publicly, I've been saying it even more you know, concisely in the group. For me, this is short and chill. Every rise is a short opportunity until I come down for my target. My target is the low of this channel. Why? Because we don't have just one low here, we don't even just have 2 lows, which is now a slightly higher low, but we also have this one from here, right? That is 1, 2, now 3 lows. This is a major level of liquidity, such high liquidity that is sat there. And myself as a trader that runs statistics, that trades this day in, day out, you know, I've been going on 13 years trading. This is my bread and butter. This is what I do. This is who I am. I call the market and the market moves, right? My call is we're going to be going down below these pivots. Every single rise until that happens is a short trade. This is just I just cannot see a world where we're not taking out a triple bottom now. This is just liquidity that's asking to be taken. It really is. Of course, below that, we could be looking down towards the MPOC to the wick fill, okay, to filling the wick here, obviously over on Bybit, down towards the MPOC at 22k. But the biggest target for me here now is the range low. Because of that, now triple bottom. It was lovely and I wanted it as a double bottom, but now we got the triple bottom. It's just like, yeah, give me any rise to wherever you want to rise to, and I'll short it down to take out those lows. So yeah, I must admit, as I would always say, I have confidence in my trades. I'm not an emotional trader though, right? I'm at the end of the day, I'm here, I'm planning, I'm very methodical, I'm following a strategy, I'm making plans, I'm trading my plans. At the end of the day, we see big moves up, big moves down. Yeah, there could be a lot of excitement, flashing lights. No, it's just, I will keep always calm and collected, coming in the group, giving, very well presented analysis and thought processes. I mentioned I'd talk about the ES and the stock market, and the Forex market, and that is really with DXY. From the very beginning, remaining bullish on DXY, we're still expecting this rise. This was yesterday saying, let's go towards the monthly. Let's not look to SFP this high, but continue the rise to the monthly. Well, if you see today, you did continue the rise 24 hours later to the monthly. Look at the stock market here. We had this lovely pattern on the stock market. We're obviously looking for the drop. This was recognized on Sunday during the Champions live stream. So let's, continue that plan. And then if I will come over and show you how that's playing out. Okay, you can see here very nicely. Look at the drop that we've had so far. So, it's not just look at Bitcoin, it's not just look at altcoins, but let's look at our inversely correlated market with the DXY. Let's look at our correlated market with the stock market. Let's use this information to make very informed decisions. Okay, and when these other assets come together, when the technical analysis alone on Bitcoin comes together, when you have Igor Confluence, this guy calling one of the best trade setups I've seen ahead of time, just the thought process to form the higher low there. That was pretty spectacular. And yeah, then I have no words. That was a very good call, but yeah, what can I say? I'm just going to say this. Yeah, for me, the plan remains bearish. It is short any rise until we come down and at least take now that triple bottom. Some people would view this, and this is the nature of the game, right? Some people are going to think there's the low, there's a higher low, this is another higher low. So if you just remove everything, there will be people that are thinking to themselves, okay, look at this. We have now formed this low. We've now formed that higher low, and now we've formed another higher low. So they're going to think this is accumulation, this is a bullish structure, and guess what? You're going to have people longing there. And that's not just me saying, yeah, they're going to have people longing there. Look at the order flow. This is the data that cannot be faked. Look at that as you came down to the low. Okay, you actually see there off the back of this, well, currently 2.8 million longs opening. If we come down on a 5-minute chart, I was reviewing the order flow as it happens. As you put in that higher low, look at this, 500,000, 118,000, 800,000 here, 3.2 million positive delta open interest increases. So it's not just me saying people are trading the longs here. I'm showing you the evidence that is real in front of your eyes, So, that what makes a technical analysis, right? It's reading the data, making informed decisions, and then extracting that, a way of making a bias, making a trade setup, and, then remaining patient once you've took the trades. Because we will always say this, right? There's a big difference between an analyst and a trader. We want to, of course, get you and everybody to the realm of trader, so you're able to analyze the charts and execute, take your trades, make your profits. That's what we teach. And, whether you're at the level of trading right now, or whether you are still on the journey of learning, of course, we have everything for you over on the website. Whether it's you want to, study the theory, then you've got the course. Whether you want to follow along with our live trading streams, or then you can, watch those live trading streams where you're seeing in the time, the thought process, the reasons for entry, the reason why we place a stop loss there, the target here. So you get that live trading experience. Okay, so we've got everything really to get you up to speed, from the beginners to the experts to the people that just want a community to, discuss ideas and follow along with the best in the market. So yeah, that is the last 24 hours of price action, all called in advance by Igor. Now we're going to follow his plan and, look for lower prices below this range low. I've explained my reasons why. That is because I'm looking for that liquidity grab. A lot of longs opening once more. I'm not expecting this to be a higher low. There are a lot of people that are expecting it with a higher low, as I can see in the order flow of those longs opening up. So for me, that is a wrap here. I am short. I am bearish. I'm looking for those lows. If we come down here and we get some sort of nice reaction, if we get a SFP of our range low, if we get a bullish reaction, I'm not a perma bear. I'm not this guy that's only going to short. That is a long opportunity if I get the reaction. What I do is I place an alert. I'll come there once the alert's gone off and trade the reaction. If there's no reaction, there's no trade. But if there is a reaction and a very nice order flow, you can tell I would take a long trade. I'm just in this market to make profits. I don't really mind if it goes up or down. I'm able to trade either way, and as should you be. Okay, so you watching this, I want you to be in this mindset, this frame of mind as a champion trader. I can trade this market up. I can trade this market down. I just want volatility, nice setups and moves to take advantage of. Again, if you're not at that level to take advantage of it, well, head over to chartchampions.com, get yourself up on that level, follow along with the best, and crush the charts as a champion. That's all I'm going to say. Thank you ever so much. I'll catch you over on the website for the live stream. I have a live stream tomorrow morning, so in 12 hours time you'll see me live on the charts for our daily morning live stream update, exactly like this one today from Igor. I'm going to be going live and talking you through the day trades and a look for the head for the next 24 hours. Every day we got live streams. Tomorrow as well we got the altcoin live stream, so you got the daily morning crypto update, you got the stock market update, you got the altcoin update, you got 3 live streams tomorrow. What more could you need and want right now? Everything covered over on the platform, chartchampions.com. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Cheers. And that's me signing out. Thank you and goodbye.